Absolutely. Today we have a small collection of SureFire products to share with you. This box reads Model 618 FA Tactical Light out of Fountain Valley, California. Look at that. So this is for an 870 Remington shotgun. This is a used unit. Otherwise it would have come with a lot more things, but this is what we got. And look at that, the bezel's even serialized. A08332. We've got a permanent on and off switch and a temporary switch. On this side it reads US patents 4777754 4856218 and 6345464. Originally called Laser Products Corporation, started in 1979. Their first patent they filed for December of 86 and was granted October of 88. And then by the year 2000, they changed to the name SureFire. Shortly after, the Model 618 FA was first introduced. I'm sure SureFire has come out with a lot of updated variations since then. Another item I found is this B65 battery, rechargeable nickel cadmium. Goodness, that is a long battery. It looks like 4 of the 1, 2, 3 batteries. But I don't have an extension, so this is only for 2 batteries. I don't have an extension that fits 4 batteries. I'm not sure what this would go to. But we do have the charger for the 4 batteries. SureFire C100 series battery charger. Laser products. And here's a brand new unopened SureFire AC adapter from Laser Products. It's been in here so long, the rubber band that was around the wire rotted away. But this has never been opened. So this would just connect. And then you plug it in and charge your battery. So that's everything you need to charge that battery. Here's a SureFire part number 12885-1. So what this is, it's a wavy washer that goes under the magazine cap or the extension tube. If you have a mismatch, there's a detent in your barrel that's supposed to keep your cap on. And if you don't have that detent because you have a modern barrel that requires the plastic spring retainer, and you put on an extension tube or anything other than your original factory cap, you need this wavy washer. I don't know what the Allen wrench was for, though. Here's a SureFire Model Z10 switch blocker. So that would replace, when these first were brand new, there was this steel plate was covering a portion of this, and you could pull it off and move it. But if you did that, it just would never go back on right. So they sold this, which was the replacement blocker. It comes with an alcohol swab and a pre-glued surface. So you just pull the tape off and stick it on. Here's a weird one. This is the Z11 shotgun safety strap. That's just a nylon belt. It comes with the grommets and the hardware. So you can attach this to the foregrip just like this. Here's a SureFire model M19 mount, which would attach to the magazine tube of an 1100 or 1187 and allow you to attach a flashlight. Well, that's really heavy. Oh, look, and it's dated. So we know the date on that is from 95, December of 95. And the last item on our list is a packaged Scattergun Technologies product, part number 76183. Let's check this out. Oh, look at that. This is the predecessor to this flashlight, the 618FA. Look at that. Laser Products Corp., Fountain Valley, California, 92708. And there's the LPC logo with the permanent on and off, and then the temporary, and then you have the steel plate. I would prefer the plate to be up here, not back there, but I don't know, it doesn't really matter. And look at that, an inspector marking sticker, LPC inspector number 2. And it comes with brand new Duracell batteries. I can imagine this probably goes back to 95. These batteries have got to be 30 years old now. There's the bezel, wrapped in a piece of paper. No serial number or marking. And then this was the tool that you would use to remove the fore-end nut. Let's see if these batteries work. I'm curious, after 30 years almost. Oh, look at that. Sure does work. Wow. Yeah, let's turn the lights off. Nice. A 30-year-old flashlight, 30-year-old batteries still work. That's amazing. It's brand new, so it should work. And it's made by a stellar company. These are great products. Oh, look at that. I missed that. This must be a lot number, or maybe this is a serial number. H18F. Yeah, if you know more about this product, if you know what that means, please put it in the comments below. I'd like to learn more about this fore-end. Thanks for watching, people.